Okay, I'm recording.
Oh, cover your ears.
Hey!
How was that video, Matt, since you kind of jerked away?
I caught it. You can do better than that. It splattered everywhere. That was awesome. Do I have any on me?